I found you in the quiet between heartbeats, a whisper that turned into light. Your last dish go through my darkness. Your eyes made the stars feel less bright. Every moment been softly toward you, like rivers that ache for the sea. In the hush of the night I still hear you, like a song written just for me. It's caught in a bed.
If time ever tries to erase us, I'll carve out our names in the sky. With every breath I am yours now. No distance, no fear, no goodbye. Hold me where words fall to pieces, where truth doesn't need to pretend. In you I have found every reason, a love with no start and no end.
Pieces of me from different seasons of me, more than you needed of me, baby. No, I never asked for the same. Tell me why you walked away. Tell me, baby.